honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm so tired I don't know what to do. Me and Walter got out of here today. We had on our mask and our gloves. He was very reluctant to put his mask and stuff on. He said, I'll wear the gloves, but I ain't wearing no mask. I said, you ain't coming back home to me if you ain't got no mask on and you all out and about. And then you're going to infect me with whatever you catch. So he reluctantly put his mask on. And he kept touching it. Touching stuff, he had gloves on, and he kept touching the mask. I said, you're not supposed to touch the mask. So it was getting on his last nerve. It was getting on my last nerve, too. And then our mask got the little thing that you pinch over the bridge of your nose. I mean, I ain't got no bridge. My nose ain't got no bridge, so it didn't fit me good, but it was a little protection. It's better than nothing. Now, we're supposed to be in the high-risk group because of our age, and then he just got through with the radiation treatments, so he's really high risk. But anyway, well, we went to a bunch of places, and I wasn't going to cook when I came home. We got a lot of groceries, a whole lot of chicken wings. Found some steaks. They were $6.99 a pound. They were a good price. T-bone steaks, y'all. And I bought a couple pizzas. So that's what I got in this Cosori air fry oven right now. See that? So I have it on the pizza function. Have it on the middle rack, and it set itself for 450, and I think it was 14 minutes. So this pizza I love, Home Run Inn pizza. And let me see. It says to cook it for 450. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. So I think this set itself for 14 minutes. So this is a nice little oven. I don't have to turn on this big old stove oven. So I got a message early this morning from one of my honeys saying that it hasn't been announced yet or something. We're going to be on Show Enough lockdown for at least 2 weeks. And it may happen before the weekend. So you better go out and get what you're going to get, because you ain't going to be able to go out and get anything. And one of my daughters, she works in the hospital. She's a phlebotomist. So at her job, they gave her some kind of ticket so she'd be able to drive to work, because they don't want nobody out. If you ain't going to work helping people, then you stay home. So I don't know what's going to happen if somebody should just go out. I don't know if you're going to get locked up. Don't know. But it said they advised everybody to go out and stock up. So I did. And there were so many aisles in Walmart. They were completely bare. They did have some meats. They had chicken. Had a hamburger. Excuse me. Devil, you a lie. Then Walter had to go somewhere else, and he went to Jewel. So that's where I found the steaks on sale. And I was shocked, because Jewel is usually very expensive. The steaks were a good price. Like $8 for a nice thick T-bone steak. Yeah, buddy. And my brother had posted on Facebook yesterday. He had fixed a steak and lobster tail. And I hadn't had a steak for a long time. I don't eat the other stuff because I'm allergic to shrimp. So I figure I'm allergic to lobster and all the other shellfish. Okay. I'll stop jabbering. This ain't nothing like done, but it's getting very brown. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna take this off. See how brown the pizza has gotten already? And it's still 9.5 minutes left. Okay, let's see how that crust. Can't see the crust underneath. And Walter been killing these cookies I fixed yesterday. That's what's left. Ooh, they smell so good. They ran my blood sugar up, so I had 2. And so I didn't put no makeup on today. I had the mask on. It covered up all this. So I did do a little bit to my eyebrows, and I took the powder sponge and did up here. Looking crazy as I don't know what. And Walter was self-conscious with the mask on. I said, people don't even know you, and they can't see who you are. Anyway, your face covered up. Yeah, this pizza's about to burn, so I like the cheese to get dark like that, but not burnt. We got a couple more minutes. This is what I got on today, and some purple stretch leggings. I just slapped this wig on. I had a bun, and the wig is sticking all out right there because of the bun. I was trying to get out the house early before people took all the food. There was a lot of water in Walmart earlier. No toilet tissue. But we good, you know. Well, we got enough food. Okay, time to get this pizza out of here. Okay, I'm getting ready to take this out. Okay, it's getting too dark. Cancel. Cut the light off. Take this out. It got really, really brown, but I like the cheese nice and brown. Let's see. It's a light tan crust. I sprinkled some. I'll show y'all what I put on it. You know what? I'm gonna cut it a different way. My youngest daughter, she would always want these little triangle pieces, little bitty pieces that nobody else wanted. And even then, she would pull off all the meat and the cheese, and all she wanted was the crust and the sauce. So that child got a screw loose. Okay. That's how the pizza place cuts it. Here's what I put on it. I bought some of this today. McCormick, garlic and onion, plus black pepper and sea salt. It says all-purpose seasoning. So that's what's on here. If you want to take the time to put black olives and jalapenos, I'm ready to eat. So let me do a thumbnail. Turn it back this way. And this is how I do my box. I cut the box. So I put the pizza in there. Somebody told me that the inside of the box is dirty. Well, the pizza was in plastic. I took the plastic off, so I'm still kicking. And I've been doing this for years. Let me get my thumbnail. Close up. That looks kind of dark for a thumbnail. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And this is what I call a quarantine cuisine. It's a snack. Okay. And there were a whole lot of people walking around the stores with masks on. And Walter, he was self-conscious. I said, anybody with any sense got a mask on? Okay, I'm gone. For real now. Y'all stay safe and be blessed. Bye. Okay. Here's my pizza. It's really, really hot, so I ain't gonna taste it. But it's the Home Run Inn pizza. And it's a Chicago favorite. Okay.